English conversation. Listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. Talking about the weekend. Hey, what are you up to this weekend?
Nothing much. I'm just going to stay in and catch up on some chores on Sunday. But on Sunday I'm going to meet up with some of my friends for brunch.
That sounds like fun. Where is your favorite brunch spot?
My friends and I are meeting at our favorite brunch spot on Sunday. My friend is a social butterfly. She has invitations to 2 brunches and 2 afternoon teas. I usually go to Bright Morning Coffee. What about you? What have you got going on this weekend?
It's supposed to be cold and rainy this weekend. So I'm just going to stay in. Read a book and binge watch TV more. I'm kind of a homebody. So I'll probably just read a book in my hammock. Last weekend my family and I binge watched all of the Star Wars movies.
You're doing something fun this weekend. That sounds like nice. Well, have a good weekend. Enjoy your book.
Thanks. You too. Have a good weekend. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.